Hello everyone, welcome to Ayim Craft. Welcome to today's tutorial. In today's tutorial we'll be learning this type of unisex bag. Okay, it's super easy. Okay, this is the material we'll be using for our purse. Okay, it's a purse, it's not a bag. Okay, so this is 16.5 inches by 9 inches. Everything is in inches. Then you need this one which serve as the side of our purse, which is 6 by 4 inches, and you need 2 pieces for it. Okay, so after getting this, you're now going to carry your main panel, your main body. Then you now look for the center. You cut out the center as you can see me do. You just notch it a little, okay, for both sides. Okay, after doing that, you now carry this other two side. Okay, you just hem this one part, you just hem one part for the both side as you can see me do. Okay, as you can see me do mine, you can as well do yours, or you do yours later. Okay, after sewing or hemming the edge, I will now also look for the center of the downside that I did not hem, the other side that I did not hem. I'll look for the center. Okay, after looking for the center, I'll now attach it as shown, notch side to notch side and wrong side facing wrong side. Okay, let the good side be facing up. So after that, I'll first of all sew the center, then I'll go and give it a straight stitch. Okay, I'll secure center first before giving it a straight stitch. Can you see what I'm doing? So you go ahead and do yours. Always be patient and always be very detailed with your work. Okay, always be very detailed with your work, be patient with it. So after getting this part being done, so what I'm going to do right now is I am going to join the side, the two wings, or I will sew my logo. If you have a logo, you attach your logo, but if you don't have, you leave it like that. If you want to attach the logo, you leave 1 inch inward below the edge. Okay, below starting point of that space, you leave 1 inch, then you sew your logo as you can see me sewing mine, or you just attach your decoration. But if you don't have, do not stress yourself about it, it's a normal thing. Okay, so after sewing this part, you now go ahead and join the wings. I call them wings. You join the wings to the body of your back. You just sew it as shown. Okay, you just join them as you can see me do. Just join them like this. It's super easy and beginner friendly. So I know a whole lot of you make a whole lot this season that is coming for occasion. Is souvenir bag. You can use it for any kind of occasion. Okay, so you just join this side as you can see me do. So you turn it this way. You can join it just the way you normally join your box. Is that easy, it's not that difficult. Okay, after joining this, you also do the same thing to this other side. Okay, you use the same format to join this other side. Is very simple and beginner friendly. So viewers, please always be patient. A big shout out to my returning subscribers. You guys are the best. You guys are really making me wonderful. I'm seeing your comments, your prayers and good wishes. I wish you all the same. And to my new subscribers, you are welcome. You are welcome to this place. This is a place where you will be shown the measurements and everything in detail. So you have chose the right place. And those of you that are just watching without subscribing, can you please subscribe so that you be getting all the notification and all the tutorials. Okay, this one is 1 inch belt. Okay, it's not bias, it's 1 inch belt. So I am going to pipe it as shown. I am going to pipe it as shown as you can see me do. Okay, I'm going to pipe it as shown as you can see me do. So for those of you that have not subscribed, just as I said, feel free to subscribe, turn on the notification bell. In case I upload any new video, you'll be among those that will be notified. Okay, so this is how we normally do it here at Ayim Craft. Everything is shown, we don't hide anything. So just go ahead and pipe your work, give it a very neat piping. Okay, just pipe it neatly so you will get a very beautiful result at the end of your project. So after piping, you cut out the excess. After cutting out the excess, you repeat the same thing to the other side. You pipe it using the same method. Can you see? Okay, so at this point, please, can you just give it a like? Can you just like this video so that this video will go to other viewers? It will reach a broader viewers. Okay, so please, can you just give it a thumbs up, download and share with your friends so that we'll all grow together in this business. Okay, so this is how you are going to pipe it. Okay, after getting this part being done, the next thing now we're going to do is to attach our zipper. This is the zipper. Okay, you're going to attach it as shown. This good side is going to face up, then the wrong side is going to face the inner part of your bag, and this is how you're going to attach it. Just take a close look how I open it a little, then I now just turn this side. Like, can you see? I just curve it a little part of the zipper. I just place it as shown, then I'll run a straight stitch to it. Okay, I'll run a straight stitch. Please always be patient, don't be in a rush. No matter how it looks simple, it's best if you get it the first time you get it right. Okay, so just sew it as if you are on a job interview. Just do it like that and you'll get the best results. Okay, just sew it as if it's not your first time. Give it all the concentration. Then the zipper, you're going to cut out the zipper, leaving 3 inches for the zipper. Okay, so you're going to repeat the same thing to this other side. Can you see how I'm sewing mine? You're going to repeat the same thing to this other side. So it's that simple. It's not something, it's not a big deal. So just concentrate and make your own to be even more beautiful than mine, and leave a comment down below. Let me know how easy or fast this was, or how helpful it is to you. Okay, so just go ahead and try your own project and let's know what we'll be posting here at Ayim Craft. Okay, after doing this, you just burn all the unnecessary things that you don't want. You just burn them so that your work will be very, very neat. So now you go ahead and attach your zip puller. Okay, you just attach your zip puller. So after attaching the zip puller, it's now time for us to pipe that upside. Okay, we are just going to pipe the upside, the zipper side. So I just open it up and I'm piping it with the same 1-inch belt. Okay, I'm piping it with the same 1-inch belt. So this is how the bag is being made. Very, very simple and beginner friendly. Okay, you will super like it and your client will super like this bag, for this purse for souvenir or for any other thing that they really want to do. Is also an everyday purse. Is also a unisex purse. Male and female can use it at the same time. So in sewing this part, I will leave at least from where my zipper ends. I'm going to mark like 7 inches to 8 inches. I'm going to mark it. That is going to enable me to form my handle for the purse. Can you see how simple it can be? So after getting that marked point, like the 7 inches that I mark, I'm just going to curve the other side and then sew the other part of my zipper. I'm going to pipe the other part of my zipper, and our purse is done and dusted. Our purse is ready. Can you see how beautiful it is? Just cut out the excess belt and burn out everything that you know is going to look rough. So our purse is ready. Can you see? So for this zipper part, you're just going to cover it up. So I'm using my belt to cover it up. Okay, I'm using my belt to cover it up. So I just cut a little. I didn't measure this one though. I just cut a little and I fold it by 2. burning out the mouth so that it will not be pouring out. Then I went ahead and secure the mouth of my zipper. So it's that simple and beginner friendly. So please just feel free and try yours and let me know at the comment section. Please, if you have not given this video a thumbs up, do well by giving it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and boom, our bag is ready. Can you see how beautiful it looks? Very, very easy and beginners friendly. So I will see you in the next class. So please just feel free to try yours, okay, so that together we can grow. So just give it a thumbs up, download and share. Bye.